Top 6. Best battery-powered pressure washer. Number 1. Bergwerk Cordless 40V Power Washer.
Easily assemble the lithium battery, detergent container, multifunctional nozzle, and pipe, and select your desired spray mode out of 6 modes to pressure wash the surface, as well as every other inaccessible corner of your car. Detach the detergent container and rinse off the foam with a powerful cleaner to enjoy your shining car. Use the suitable spray mode and get rid of the persistent dirt in your yard and on the stairways in no time. Swimming pool area is another big target of Bergwerk portable pressure washer, as its lightweight helps you to thoroughly wash the floor, loungers, and all the other outdoor furniture without getting tired. Stand at your desired distance from the bike and clean it all up with no trouble. Washing the benches and outdoor surfaces of doors and windows is no longer an arduous job with this efficient product. Thanks to its multifunctional design, you can also enjoy watering your plants and flowers. Sparkle your life with Bergwerk portable pressure washer.
Number 2. Works WG644 PowerShare HydroShot 40V Battery-Operated Pressure Washer. Number 3. Sunjoe SPX 6001C XR.
Fill up your bucket list and tackle your toughest home and outdoor cleaning projects with the revolutionary Sunjoe SPX 6000 Series 40-volt max cordless pressure washers. Packed with 600 watts of pure cleaning power, the SPX 6000 Series self-priming pump motor generates up to 1,160 pounds of max burst pressure per square inch to quickly and easily remove mildew stains, caked on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. The first completely cordless pressure washer of its kind, Sunjoe gives you room to roam, courtesy of the powerful onboard rechargeable 40-volt EcoSharp lithium-ion battery and Easy Glide roller wheels to take your cleaning projects on the road or anywhere where water or power is at a premium. Perfect for the patio, boat, RV, and a host of chores around the house. The innovative, top-loading 5.3-gallon detachable bucket design fills quickly with fresh water to go where no garden hose has gone before, or can be connected directly for continuous use to work without stopping. 4 quick connect tips allow you to go from intense jet to gentle spray. Plus, the included soap sprayer attachment is ready whenever you want to give your cleaning blast a boost. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Featuring Sunjoe's exclusive Pressure Select technology, the SPX 6000 Series lets you pick the perfect pressure to combat dirt and grime. Choose from low for quick dirt and debris cleanups, medium for everyday grease and grime, or high to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. Plus, the SPX 6000 series comes equipped with Sunjoe's exclusive built-in Total Stop power-saving system that saves both pump and power when the trigger gun is not engaged, and a full 2-year warranty for worry-free performance season after season. So,
Number 4. Briggs & Stratton 020661 Battery Pressure Washer. Number 5. Sunjoe 24V Ion.
Take a quick rinse on the road or a mini wash wherever your travels take you with the WA24C LTE cordless portable spray washer from Sunjoe. Only Sunjoe's exclusive ion battery technology gives you the room to roam, courtesy of the powerful 24-volt, 2-amp-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Perfectly portable, Sunjoe's handy spray washer is ideal for quick cleanups at the car, park, beach, or anywhere power's at a premium. Fill up fast to carry up to 5.3 gallons of fresh pond or tap water and wash away dirt and debris with up to 116 psi and 1.5 gallons per minute of max cleaning power and an ample 31-minute runtime on a single charge. The included spray attachment provides an on-the-go wash station wherever a quick rinse is needed, after a hike, to water delicate plants, or for a quick cleanup after a day at the lake. Simply twist WA24C LTE's included nozzle to adjust from pinpoint jet stream to gentle fan spray, and with nearly 20 feet of hose, there's more than enough to reach all 4 corners of the car. For even more runtime, simply remove the battery and plug in the cigarette lighter adapter for extended cleaning sessions. And the Sunjoe spray washer comes with a complete 2-year warranty. So rinse off on the go with Joe, the WA24C LTE cordless portable spray washer.
Number 6. Works HydroShot WG625.
The Works HydroShot is the world's first portable power cleaner, fueled by a 20-volt battery. HydroShot pumps from any freshwater source for pressurized cleaning anytime, anywhere. HydroShot even boosts your normal hose pressure up to 10 times. The Works HydroShot.